Hi, it's Bill from the Home Premier team bringing you the June 2021 market update, and things are really heating up in the Lehigh Valley. While we experienced a 5.8% decrease in new listings from 1,164 homes to 1,096 homes, and a slight decrease in pending sales, the number of closed sales skyrocketed. Pending sales in June of last year were 1,123 homes, and this year the number dropped 15.6% to 948 homes. As these two stats fell, the number of closed sales rose with the temperatures of summer. A 99.1% increase took us from 437 homes closed during June of last year, and a massive 870 homes were closed in June 2021. The number of days on market have cooled off a bit from 40 days to only 15 days. That's a 62.5% decrease. June supply of inventory dropped 44.4% this time around from 1.8 months to 1 month. The inventory of homes available also dipped from 1,133 homes to only 756. That's a 33.3% decrease. On the sunny side, the average sale price has risen 19.4% from $262,354 to $313,192. As the summer heats up, will the real estate market follow? Let us know what you think in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss an update. I'll see you next time for the July recap.